Snowfall across India's Himalayan region and widespread rain has pushed North India into a wetter phase of winter. Delhi recorded its rainiest January in 4 years, while Kashmir was blanketed by heavy snow. In Jammu and Kashmir, Sonmarg, an avalanche swept through the Sarbal area late Tuesday night. The snowslide buried houses, hotels and vehicles in the popular tourist town. Officials have not confirmed any casualties so far. Fresh snowfall in Jammu and Kashmir forced the closure of the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway, with snow blocking the Navyug tunnel at Kazigund and Banihal. Air traffic is also severely hit. All 58 scheduled flights at Srinagar International Airport were cancelled yesterday. Rail services between Banihal and Budgam was also suspended for several hours before resuming. Weather agency has predicted heavy snowfall in the higher reaches of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir in the coming days. A fresh western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India from the night of 30th January. The national capital has witnessed rain and thunderstorms for the last 2 days, and the Indian Meteorological Department has issued a red alert for Delhi, warning residents about thunderstorms, strong winds and possible hail. Meanwhile, Delhi's air quality showed a slight improvement today, with the AQI settling at 273. However, the Central Pollution Control Board has warned that despite the marginal dip, pollution levels continue to be in poor category.